Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and today we are going to discuss about the difference between two-stroke engine and four-stroke engine. First I will tell the what is two-stroke engine and four-stroke engine. First I will write here two-stroke engine. Two-stroke engine is that two-stroke engine. Two-stroke engine is that which takes crankshaft to rotate only in one revolution. It's known as two-stroke engine. First I will define here what is the two-stroke engine. It is an engine that compresses that completes a power cycle with two strokes of the piston. Two stroke of the piston during only one crankshaft revolution. This is known as two-stroke engine. After that I will discuss about four-stroke engine. Four-stroke Four-stroke engine is an internal combustion engine in which the piston completes four separate strokes while turning the crankshaft. Means it takes complete four separate strokes while turning the crankshaft. I will define here. It is an internal combustion engine in which the piston completes four separate strokes while turning the crankshaft. In simple way I can define it that two-stroke is that it takes only in the crankshaft it takes only one revolution. It's known as two-stroke engine. And in the four-stroke engine we can easily define that it takes four complete revolution, that is known as four-stroke engine. On the crankshaft is known as four-stroke engine. And after that we will discuss about the difference between two-stroke engine and four-stroke engine. First I will tell here the two-stroke engine is invented by Carl Benz and Dougald Clark. And four-stroke engine is invented by Nicholas Otto. And after that this point I will take here. First point here, and the second point is, and the two-stroke engine generates high torque. Means two-stroke engine generates very high torque. Okay guys, it generates high torque here, and in 4-stroke engine it generates very less torque. Okay guys, after that I will be going for third point here. And in 2-stroke engine it's a lesser thermal efficiency. Okay guys, its engines result in lesser thermal efficiency. In 4-stroke engine it has the higher ratio in terms higher thermal efficiency. It engines results in higher thermal efficiency. In 2-stroke engine it has lesser thermal efficiency, and in 4-stroke engine it has higher thermal efficiency. Okay guys, this is 2-stroke engine and this is 2-stroke engine, this is 4-stroke engine and this is 2-stroke engine. Okay guys, I will be going for the next page here. 3 points are completed here. After that I will be going for 4th point here. And in 2-stroke engine it generates more smoke and shows less efficiency. Okay guys, it generates in 2-stroke engine it generates more smoke. Okay, more smoke and shows less efficiency. Here. In 4-stroke engine it generates here it generates less smoke and shows more efficiency here. After that we will be going for 5th point here. In 2-stroke engine requires more lubricating oil, as some oil burns with the fuel. Okay guys, it in 2-stroke engine requires more lubricating oil, as some oil burns with the fuel air. In this 4-stroke engine it requires less lubricating oil. It requires less lubricating oil here. After that I will be going for the next point here. In the 2-stroke engines are cheaper. These 2-stroke engines are very cheaper. Engines are cheaper. This is 6th point here. In 4-stroke engine these engines are just wait here, the spelling is wrong here. Engines here, and the 4-stroke engines are very expensive here, guys. Engines are expensive, and the 2-stroke engines are simple for manufacturing, guys. This is simple for manufacturing also. And it is very tough to manufacture here. Tough to manufacture the 4-stroke engine. These 2-stroke engines are basically lighter, and these 2-stroke engines are lighter. Basically lighter means its engines are basically lighter. Engines are basically heavier. These engines, the 4-stroke engines, are basically heavier. Engines are basically heavier, and the example is that 2-stroke engines are used in scooters and model airplanes. And the 4-stroke engines are used in cars, trucks, and some motorcycles in used. Motorbikes used, etc. So these are the difference between this 2-stroke engine and the 4-stroke engine. So I will revise here the 2-stroke engine. The 2-stroke engine takes only it takes for complete revolution, it takes only one crankshaft revolution only, and the 4-stroke engine takes for complete revolution for completing its crankshaft here. After that, I will be going for the difference between here. The 2-stroke engine is invented by Carl Benz and the Dougald Clark, and the 4-stroke engine was invented by Nicholas Otto, and it has the high torque and it has less torque. So these are the difference between here. So I will conclude here for the today's lecture. For today's it's enough, and thank you so much, students. If you like my video, please share with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe my videos. Thank you so much. We will meet you on another lecture.